Hey guys, I'm Reprops, and today I'm making Katarn's lightsaber from the Jedi Knight video game series. If you guys want the files for this print, I have those in the description as well as the print settings, so in case you guys need those when you print. I then did some cleanup work after I printed it out, just using some files and an X-Acto knife just to help trim off some excess plastic. I still don't have my printer quite right, so there is some elephant foot behavior on some of the ports and stuff, which is what I used my X-Acto knife to clear off. And then I went through and painted the whole lightsaber silver just with some Krylon silver paint, and then went through and painted on some black details, and then did some airbrushing details with my airbrush. I actually just got a new airbrush for my birthday, so that's nice, and it works way better than the handheld one. It just pumps out so much more paint faster, so I can get stuff done way faster than I did with my smaller one. I then hit it with a clear coat and then did a black wash over the whole saber just to give it an extra look of dirtiness and to bring down the silver look and shine a bit. And overall, I'm really happy with how this saber turned out. I like all the ribbing and stuff that it has on it, and I think it's certainly a unique lightsaber, kind of a mix between a lot of different lightsabers in the Star Wars universe. I actually made this for my friend, so I'm going to be giving it to him, but if you guys want it, I have it for sale on my Etsy shop. Also, be sure to check out my Patreon so that you guys can get behind the scenes access, as well as being able to see my videos earlier. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys don't mind liking and subscribing, please do. Let me know what stuff you guys want me to make so that I can get on and making it. See you guys next vid. Bye.